What up, you guys? So it's your girl Prissy, and today I'm coming at you with a winter slash fall UGG haul. So I don't know why, but I've just been recently obsessed with UGGs. So I guess they've just been doing a thing as far as like just coming up with just beautiful products for me to purchase. So everybody's been going crazy over their new clear boots, including myself. Well, I don't know if it's everybody, but I've been going crazy over their new clear boots because everybody, again, I don't know if everybody, but I've always had a problem with UGGs and the fact that they, you know, your feet get wet. They can't be really worn in the rain or the snow. I'm from New York. We got to truck it through the snow out here. So these babies are definitely, they were definitely on something I had to get. So without further ado, let's just get into this. And I don't know if you can hear my baby snoring. She is putting it down. So I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible so I can let my baby rest and turn the lights off. Yeah, so the first thing I got, let's see. Look at this. Y'all can't even look at it. Like, okay, there we go. Y'all see that? This is a freaking boot. Oh yeah, and I didn't do my little disclaimer. In case you don't know, I have really bad eczema on my hands. Right now I have medicine on my hand and I don't want to rub it off on anything. So I just wear gloves. It has nothing to do with Rona or nothing. They're clean or whatever. People wear gloves, people. Because I know a lot of people are like, ah, you scared of Rona? You wearing these gloves? Like, you got on gloves? And I was like, first of all, mind your business. Because I like gloves. But no. That's why I've been going. I really haven't been doing my hair videos and stuff because my hands just been messed up. Okay, hurt and painful, but whatever. That's another story. And these particular ones I did get in youth and big kids in a size 5. If you know your girl like I know your girl, then your girl can't just get one thing. So I had to get something to really pull that outfit together. Well, it's not an outfit yet, but it's an outfit now. Now, this particular item I've searched high and low for. It's completely sold out online in the US. The only place you could get it from is like Portugal or some shit like that. I don't know. But they actually did have it in the store and I wasn't leaving without this. Shitting me? Y'all ready for this? Look at this design. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Like, come on. Come on. Like, y'all see what I did there? I don't know, it looks a little off in the camera, but this bag is so dope. So it comes with a strap, and the strap has the same like a design as the back of the boot. Let's see. There we go. Oh, okay. So we got the little storage bag, dust bag. Yeah, this bag can be worn like over the shoulder or as a fanny pack, I believe, because it does have the little I'm gonna try that on for a second. Inside the bag, we just have a pocket and that's it. Just a pocket and pretty simple. So cute. And then I got, let me be careful, let me be careful. Come on now. Tell me your girl gonna be styling and profiling all in the cold with these. Don't focus on me, focus on the boot. Come on. Did y'all get this? It says whatever. These are super cute, super bright. And just really quick, for size comparison, these are a women's 6. These are a kid's 4. So just in case you wanted to save you a little coin, if you are the women's 6 is just like a slightly little bit, well, no, I don't know. They look about the same to me. But yeah, if you're a women's 6, you can definitely fit a kid's 4 and save you some money. So yeah, I was feeling those way too much. Had to go and get baby girl a pair. But unfortunately hers is a size too big. I do gotta exchange it, but we're gonna be crushing them, okay? We're gonna be crushing them. Crushing them for the winter, okay? And yeah, like I was saying, I was really feeling these prints. So your girl got herself. Listen, your girl likes to match. Okay? I like it. If they're selling something in a set, it's a reason. It's a reason. You can't get one without the other. Oh yeah, prices. This bag was $150, and I'll leave links down below. The green bag was $120. The green boots were the bag was $125, and I think the boots were $120 flat. And the pink boots were $180. I don't even want to like take it out the packages because I'm not wearing this anytime soon. But yeah, smells like something. This is so smooth and the suede is so freaking nice. Like, this is a bag. Front pocket is a little tight. You probably won't be able to put much besides like your money, a phone, or something keys in there. Don't have much to give there. And inside, all the details is just so beautiful. There's no zipper or anything inside. It just, you know, says UGG all over it. And this is it comes with a dust bag. And then last but not least, I did get the cleaner, because I am not trying to mess up those pink shoes, and especially baby girl, and the bag. It can be used on the bag as well. So this comes with a protector, a cleaner, conditioner, a shoe renew, a suede brush, and a suede eraser. Yeah, so before I actually wear these, I'll probably spray them down with the protector. And that's about it. Your girl is really enjoying her purchases. I spent maybe, I don't know, maybe like about $600 today. Which is pretty new for me, because I'm not that girl. I am not that girl. I will hold on to $1 until the end of time, but you gotta treat yourself sometimes. And I feel like this was worth it. You know, I'll hopefully have them for next winter. The bag, definitely. The shoes, maybe. And it doesn't matter. YOLO, you only live once. So I'm gonna try these on really quickly, just so you see how they flow together. And that's about it. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, because I'm super tired. And I gotta edit a couple other videos, because I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things. Like, my hands are broken. Well, they're not broken, God forbid. But my hands are like not at their normally functioning, operating state. So it's really hard for me to do my hair these days. I don't even do my daughter anymore. Thank God for my sister. So I guess we're gonna find new ways to hang out. Let me stop yapping and try these things.